widespread rain moving through the Bay Area.
We got some pretty bad weather around here lately, and it's been a little tough getting out to fly, but that doesn't mean that everything has to stop. Actually, quite the opposite. You can use this time to perhaps master that trick that you've been thinking about on the simulator, or practice on the simulator, maybe learn a new trick, maybe hit the bench and start tuning up all your quads and your planes and anything else that you have. Take them apart, clean them, make sure that they're ready to go. That way, as soon as the sun does come back out and the ground dries up, you will be out there ready to rip the packs and tear it up, show some new tricks, just have a good time. So on that note of hitting the bench and building something, I wanted to go ahead and show a new little 4-inch quad that I just finished building last night, actually. So this is the Shen Drones Tweaker Addiction. It's a 4-inch FPV quad. I've got this thing outfit with the KISS V1 flight controller, the KISS 24 amp Race Edition ESCs, a Maytech Hub OSD. It's got a 200 milliwatt 40 channel video transmitter on it. It's got some DYS Race Edition 2205 2550 kV Pro motors and some HQ 4x4.3x3 V1Ss. In addition to that, it's got a blue TPU printed hero mount. Now this mount isn't actually intended for this frame. I did a little trickery to get it to work, but it works and it's solid. It's not going anywhere. For the receiver, we've got the FreeSky RXSR S-Bus receiver on here. We've got two little antennas, kind of looks like a bug, I guess. And we just have a standard 5.8 gigahertz antenna right here. So this is a nice frame. It's pretty quick. It's definitely hardy. This thing's got a 5mm bottom plate. It's a unibody plate, so it's just a single plate. And yeah, so again, guys, use this time that you can't be out there flying because it's raining or whatever the case may be to your benefit, and go build something or go learn something new or go tune up your quads. Whatever you have to do, just take advantage of this time. So someone is getting this quad. Now, before we get carried away, let me just say a couple things. The GoPro is not included and neither is the battery. So all you will be getting is this quad right here, everything you see except the GoPro and the battery. So you will need your own batteries, you'll need your own transmitter, and you will need your own GoPro. Or you can remove the hero mount and fly it without a GoPro, whatever you choose. This thing has been flashed with the newest firmware for the ESCs, and at the time, I believe this flight controller also has the newest KISS firmware available for this particular version of hardware. It's running stock PIDs, so I have done a test hover. I'll show you guys that right here. So you want this quad? Here's what you got to do. First, subscribe to the channel. Secondly, leave a comment down below letting me know that you want the quad. And on the 28th of February, a winner will be chosen at random from the comments left below. Again, you only need to comment once in order to be eligible to win. All right, so one last condition. This is going to be an international giveaway, but if the person who wins happens to be outside of the United States, they will need to cover shipping. Otherwise, it'll be taken care of for you. Good luck, everyone. So if you liked this video, you like the quad, you want to see more giveaways, you want to see more content, more 100-mile-an-hour mega-sized giant 10-pound drones, or the Cannonball 800, which is coming very, very soon, subscribe to the channel and be sure to ring the bell so you will know when I upload that content or when I put another giveaway together for you guys. So thank you very much for watching. I want to take a quick second for all of my current subscribers and just say thank you to each and every one of you. I appreciate you. It is truly an honor to have you guys come back time and time again and watch these videos. It means the world to me, and I will continue to try and create the high quality content that I know you want to see, put together builds that you find interesting, and really just take this channel to the next level in 2019. So guys, thank you very much for subscribing, and I'll see you next time.